Hi there, my name is Per Magnus, and now we'll be explaining to you how you can use a PDF editor to do a really cool thing with PDFs that we have in courses. So let's have a look at that. We'll be giving you some simple tips and tricks. So let's have a look at the agenda then. Why are we doing this? The reason is the PDFs are not just for print. You can actually do more cool stuff with them, and you can create your own course book, your own personal documentation from the course. The agenda in this short video is how to write in PDFs, in case you don't know, and we'll give you some idea how you can add exercise results to your PDF booklets. So these are some rather simple thoughts, but simple things are sometimes really powerful, and this is quite powerful to enable you to create your own very personal course book. Let's have a look at that. So let's have a look. So we have here an example course book. So I'll open that into my PDF editor. And what you can see here is that it looks like, you know, a normal course book would do, PDF course book on your PDF access. What's interesting in this particular workbook that we don't have in all course books is that you can add into the fields. So you can actually edit the field. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So there's actually an editable field here where I can add some thoughts of my own, right? So sometimes you will put exercise results there, then sometimes just notes. So this is quite powerful. Sometimes you, however, want to do that exercise, that class exercise on an online or digital whiteboard. So maybe you've done that. So assume you and I have done that. So let's go over and check out a whiteboard. So assuming this is an online whiteboard. So if you and I did that, or I can just copy that whiteboard by taking a screenshot like this, right? And exactly how you take a screenshot will vary from computer to computer. So if you don't already know that, you will need to learn that. And what I can do when I get back in here, I can actually, as an example, I can insert a blank page. And now I've added the blank page after our, I would add the blank page where it would be most smart to do that next to the stuff, the theoretical stuff we were talking about that we just did an exercise on. And I can just paste the results of the exercise on this blank page. And thus maybe I even do a couple, we created a couple of whiteboards. I can also add text naturally in anywhere else. So let's add some text so that I remember. Good. You can do that. This is an example. This is quite simple. Some very simple thoughts, and voila, you have your own personal workbook with your personal exercise results and personal ideas how to proceed further. So let's go have a look at a summary of this then. And what is the summary then? So what you must do before the course is actually nothing. This is optional, but we would recommend that you install, if you don't already have it, install a simple PDF editor. I like PDF Expert because it's simple, cheap, and fast, and pretty good actually. We're not affiliated with PDF Expert. You can use any PDF editor that you have, and also play around with it a little bit, so you can do that. You know what to do. And what we just talked about, you can do during the course if you're really fast, or you can do that after the course as a way to gather your thoughts and organize your thoughts while preparing for the exam. And that will give you a personalized workbook also. And by that, I'd just like to say welcome to the course and looking forward to seeing you there. And also, if you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. And see you there. Be good.